All right, topic 4.2, solving equations using multiplication and division. This leads us to our learning goal. I can write and solve equations using multiplication and division. Remember, the goal of solving equations is to get the variable alone. To do this, we need to isolate the variable using inverse operations. So we're going to state the inverse operations, which means we're going to do the opposite of what it's asking. So the opposite of adding 23 would be subtract 23. The opposite of subtracting 18 would be adding 18. The opposite of multiplying by negative 15 would be to divide by negative 15. The opposite of divide by 8 is to multiply by 8. Remember a little hamster with the barbell? Whatever we do to one side of the barbell, we have to do to the other, or else it's not balanced. So if I only added weight to one side, then my barbell wouldn't be even, and our poor little hamster would fall over. So today we are looking at multiplication and division. So now we're at this level. And so the opposite of multiplying is to divide, and the opposite of to divide is to multiply. So the inverse is what we're going to use, just like we did last time, only now we're looking at multiplication and division.